Hello, guys. Hi. Welcome to the another episode on AI in Simple Guru. Do you know that AI does not learn in one way? It learns in many ways. From understanding how Netflix recommendation shows to how self-driving car navigate, the way AI learns, that happens in many ways. Today, I will break it down for you into three simple categories. One is supervised learning. The other one is unsupervised learning, and the final one is reinforcement learning. In this video, we will explore three main types of AI learning methods. By the end of this, you will have a solid grasp on how AI gets smarter every day. Let's get to the first one, supervised learning. What is supervised learning? It is like learning with the teacher. Very simple. The AI is trained on labeled data, meaning the data comes from answers. For example, if you are showing an AI pictures of animals, you tell it which pictures are cat and which pictures are dogs. The AI learns to recognize the patterns, classify future images. Another example is email spam detection. Imagine teaching an AI to identify spam emails. You give it a data set of emails labeled as either spam or not spam. Over time, the AI learns the patterns like suspicious words or unknown senders that helps it sort new emails into these categories. I'll give you one more example, predicting the house prices. Another common use is predicting house prices. Like you can train the AI on a data set of houses where the size, location, and prices are provided. Once trained, the AI can predict price of a new house based on its size and location. There are some challenges in this one. Supervised learning is powerful but needs a lot of labeled data, which can be time consuming and expensive to prepare. And the second one is unsupervised learning. It is like exploring on your own without a guide. The AI is given data without labels and tries to find patterns or groupings within by itself. It is like solving a puzzle without knowing what the final picture looks like. Example, customer segmentation. Companies use unsupervised learning to group customers based on their behavior. For instance, an e commerce site might find patterns that group customers who buy luxury items versus those who buy budget friendly items. I'll give you one more example. Another great example is fraud detection. By analyzing large amount of transaction data, the AI can identify unusual patterns like a sudden purchase in a foreign country. Say, for example, you are living in America, and all of a sudden, without any notice, like without purchasing tickets or anything, you are purchasing somewhere in a different country. Then this is like kind of unusual pattern. So the AI can detect and consider this as a fraud and intimates the customer. There are some challenges in this unsupervised learning as well. It is harder to evaluate unsupervised learning results because there is no predefined answer to compare against. The third one is reinforcement learning. This is like learning through trial and error. The AI takes actions in an environment, receives feedback in the form of rewards or penalties, and learns to maximize rewards over time. One example is video games. Video games like chess or AlphaGo, it plays thousands of games against itself, learning from wins and losses, eventually beat the human champions. Another example is self-driving cars. Self-driving cars use reinforcement learning to navigate the roads. The car gets rewards for staying in its lane and avoiding obstacles and penalties for dangerous behavior, like getting too close to another vehicle or crashing some unidentified or crashing into tree, like getting too close to another vehicle. There are challenges in reinforcement learning as well. This can take a lot of time, but its results are exceptional. So, to recap, we have learned three types of learning. Supervised learning is like learning with a teacher using labeled data, and unsupervised learning is exploring and finding patterns without labels. And final reinforcement learning is all about learning through rewards and penalties. So, if you find this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends who wanted to learn about this. Thank you so much and see you in the next video, friends. Bye bye.